Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm done in my workshop. It's not too bad. I had the air conditioner on for about 5 minutes. Not too bad down here. And I'm going to use my Grundig Satellite 800. And it's got the MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna hooked up to it. It is 9:16 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. Not really a good time to listen to shortwaves, a little late and a little early, so I'm going to try it anyway. This is kind of, right now, my best setup. I've got radios better than this, got antennas better than, but they're not set up. This is my best setup. So I'm going to see what I can find on the HF band this morning at about 9:15. So first thing I found, very weak station, 99, probably 55. Pretty weak. Let's go on. There's WWV, 10 megahertz. Pretty clear. Let's see if we can hear the female voice, which is in Hawaii, on the minute. Conditions are changing. When I first set up 15-20 minutes ago, I was getting WWV very clear. 13 hours, 18 minutes, coordinated universal time. Yeah. I believe.
The estimated time of mounting index at 1200 UTC on each July was 1. No space weather storms were observed.
I believe that's the lady from Hawaii. Let's try 5 megahertz. No, that's gone. Usually I can get that, if at all, early in the morning, before sunrise. And then later in the morning and most of the afternoon I can get 10 megahertz. Let's try 15. No. Some kind of interference. Oh, there it is. I heard the beep on the minute. Now I can hear the ticks. Some kind of interference. Okay, let's tune down from here. I think that interference is my neighbor is working on his yard, and that might be his weed whacker. Yeah, it's bleeding in pretty bad right now. See if we can get away from it. Let me turn it down and see if I can hear him. Yeah. He decided to run his weed whacker. So the noise level is down in the mud. The S meter is almost 0. Not sure what that is. Now there's a time signal. Maybe the one out of Canada. 1466, maybe 6. Six, 7. Might be better on single sideband. There it is. $14.670. Maybe that's 15 megahertz. Let's go back to AM. 15 megahertz. Yeah, that's quite a ways from 15 megahertz. That sounds like a time signal. The reason I thought I could get some stations is because the noise level is so low. Getting into the amateur radio band. Don't know what that was. Excuse me. Single sideband, amateur.
3, Romeo Tango Victor. This is Kilo Japan Papa Yankee. Just heard the station, wanted to get in there and comment. Sounds good down here in South Carolina.
South Carolina. Normally, for me, the 20 meter and 40 meter band
early this morning there, probably about 4:30 there, and
is pretty good this time of day.
Local stations there, and
you get down below that. Turn back to AM. Boy, that was a strong signal. Well, there it is. 13,845.
Him and his first, he takes care and blesses the rest. Try it. Now, I've heard people talk about
that's loud and clear.
Blessings of tithing, blessings of giving.
Unlike my voice.
And I'll tell you what the blessings.
I think that's a Caribbean beacon out of Cuba.
The blessing that we receive from God is
something there. $13,825. That's strong. Find it. Looks like it's 13.692. Pretty strong. Some kind of interference though. That's a little better there. $13,690. Another station. It's like about 13,680.
A los descendientes nacidos en el extranjero de
really loud.
La ley de los nietos o la ley de
Probably Havana, Cuba.
Hay buenas probabilidades de que esto sea aprobado de nuevo y la idea es incorporar a aquellas personas que quedaron fuera en su momento, bien sea por ser mayores de edad.
He's like 13.601 maybe.
Que eran casados
maybe 5.
Como nietos de españoles.
Yeah, 5.
Y de hecho
13,605.
Parte de las
Okay, I'm gonna stop there. That's the one thing about shortwave. You just never know when you're going to be able to get stations, and it will just vary all over the place. You know, like I say, right now is a bad time normally for me to receive stations. That's 9:30, and solar flux index is probably 67. But this is kind of big right now. Like I said before, this is kind of best case for my setups, which is the Grundig Satellite 800 connected to the MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna. It's just a fiberglass telescopic pole that extends to 31 feet, and it's got a wire attached to the top, and it just runs down the pole. It goes to a impedance matching box, and then it comes into my station. That's it. Anyway, shortwave is still, the stations themselves are still there. They're just hard to receive right now with the solar flux index so poor. Normally I can receive the stations early in the morning, say 4 o'clock in the morning, or late at night after 8 p.m. So I'm surprised I received this many stations. Now I only tuned from like 13 megahertz to 15 megahertz, and I got half a dozen stations. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.